Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you are living in Denmark, in Copenhagen, and you want purchase some of the apartment or villa or any other property, and you are not completed 5 year here. I'm living here last 4 year, 10 months, and now I want buy one villa here. So what is the process to purchase the property here? I already make a several video related on Denmark, but this video I am providing you if you want purchase any of the property and you are not completed 5 years here, so you need to take a permission of Civil Ministry Affairs. So they are providing you one of the permission you are eligible to purchase property here or not. So in this video, I'll provide you how to apply ministry permission without anyone help. You can do the same process. Last Friday, I applied this permission and yesterday I am receiving this letter. So this is a very simple process. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration on my laptop screen. So just simply open here Google, type here permission to acquire property, permanent property in Denmark. First link is display here. I already added this link in video description. This particular page you can read all information, how to purchase property, what is a permission, related information. Two types of permission available here. If you are EU citizens, so no need to take permission. If you are non-EU citizens like me, I am an Indian citizen, so I need to take a permission here. All related informations also available, like a commune to commune related information. Currently I am living here in Rodover, but you can change the commune and then read the information, what is the criteria, how to do it, and related information is legal or non-legal. Who can apply using online self solution. Also you can use your name ID if you have name ID, meet ID, so you can directly apply online also. Otherwise you can write one email and send it to them. I will provide you both condition. Look at this here, start application. Simply start application. Are you more applicable for the same property? Simply say no. Does the applicant already real property in Denmark? Currently I have no, so I just simply no. Do you represent the applicant? Yes. So here two types of options available: using self-service solution, otherwise using the application of PDF format. So I just simply click here, application PDF format. So here the application PDF format is available. You just simply fill out the all information here, like your name, address, telephone, email, CPR number, nationality. Do you want current owned property here in Denmark? No. If yes, so you just put it the address. If you know, so no. Here you can add here accordingly the question, answer, work related, family related, and Danish skill. So I added here I am learning to Danish skill. Describe your purpose to stay in Denmark, remaining all information. And here one of the important targeted property, you need to add here which property you want buy. So accordingly the name of this property, when you take over this property and acquisition, so you can fill out this one, put it here name, write a signature, and after that copy of contract, sale agreement. If you already do the contract, so sale agreement, contract, and your residence permit needed. And after that where you send this one, after that you need just digital post to till. You just simply click here, right click open, and here you need to add your CPR number. So I just simply add here my CPR number. So if you are doing this process, so such kind of mail is automatically come, recipient, category, and your topic. So you need to add here one of the message. You need to put it here, your topic, permission regarding the purchase property, and here you need to attach, fill the form, means this is form you already fill out and you download and copy. Attach contract, sale agreement. If you have sale agreement contract, so you should attach, and residence permit you need to attach here. How to attach? You just simply click here and look at this here, the application, residence permit, and sale agreement. You just simply open it here and attach both three files here, and after that you just simply send button, and those documents directly they are receiving, and within 1 week you are receiving such kind of permission letter, your ebook. So this is a one process. As a next process, self-service here, apply using online self-service. If you click here, after that accept, here next, here three types of forms is coming. Just you need to add here your automatically your CPR number and your name is coming here. I am applying behalf someone. No, I am not applying behalf someone, and just simply just next. And look at this here, all information is available here, no need to do anything. After that you just simply send, and within a 1 week you can receive such kind of letter. So guys, if you really like this video, so please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel. Research rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.